Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna sharing top 10 richest countries of the world according to 2023. And this comparison has been done along with GDP of each countries. According to the 23, San Marino is the 10th richest country of the world. This country is well known for its impressive wealth and it deserves its place among the world's wealthiest countries. The population of this country is approximately 33,700 and the GDP per capita is almost $75,000. The economy of these countries is depend on a domestic products which comes from tourism. Number 9, United States. The United States of America is globally recognized as a wealthy country. It has a large, diverse economy that produces goods and services favored by peoples from around the world. This country has a highly developed industries like engineering, computer technology, medical sector, biotechnology, and large cutting technology. Approximately 33 crore 70 lakh is the population of United States and the GDP is almost $78,000. Number 8, Brunei. Brunei is a small, oil-rich country with a high GDP, approximately $79,000. Surprisingly, this wealth has not translated into lower poverty rates. This country has a high rate of poverty among Southeast Asian countries, but the government of Brunei has focused on developing programs to pull citizens out of poverty, such as zero-interest microloans and a special food assistance for low-income households. Number 7, United Arab Emirates. It has approximately 92 lakh population and the GDP is almost $81,000. This is a vibrant country with a rapidly growing economy, and this country is also known for the luxurious lifestyle of the people living there. Its capital Abu Dhabi has become a significant hub for business and tourism worldwide. This country always focuses on continuous progress and innovation. Number 6, Norway. Norway basically depends on its natural resources, raw oils and gas exports. Approximately 54 lakh people lives in Norway. Number 5, Switzerland. Currently population of this country is approximately 87 lakh. Switzerland is an affluent country whose people happiness has earned its place among the highest ranking nations in the quality of life. This country has depended on its high export rates such as cheese, chocolate, jewelry, furniture and much more things. The second name of this country is a happiness of people. Number 4, Qatar. Qatar has a high GDP rate, approximately $123,000. The population is approximately 30 lakh. Qatar is also famous for hosting FIFA World Cup 2022 and this is very important for its high GDP. Acceptance FIFA, Qatar has a plentiful supply of oil reserves, almost exclusively fueling its growing GDP. Number 3, Ireland. With a population of 50 lakh and $1,39,000 GDP, Ireland is the third richest country. The tourism, agriculture, manufacturing and other industries analytics make this country powerful in GDP. Additionally, the proliferation of call centers, legal services, accounting departments, customer services, stockbroking firms, and catering services has made Ireland quite the economic powerhouse in the recent years. Number 2, Singapore. Singapore is a house of global financial service and it is the wealthiest country with a 52 lakh population. The GDP is almost $140,000 and the GDP depends on manufacturing, transport, engineering, logistics, electronics, biotechnology and chemical production. It is a famous country to visit in the Asia continent. Number 1, Luxembourg. This country has a 6,47,000 population and the GDP is approximately $1,46,000 and this is the highest in 2023. Luxembourg was long known for its iron and steel industries. This country's investment in welfare and infrastructure which helped Luxembourg become an attractive place to do business by providing stability while allowing companies to innovate and grow. Despite its small size, Luxembourg has become one of the most prosperous nations in Europe. So friends, in this video, we have mentioned top 10 richest country of the world according to 2023. If you are new on our YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe it and please comment also that which countries do you belong. Thank you so much.